Hi, this is Ellen Kelsey with Coldwell Banker. I'd like to take you on a tour of a great listing I have in Cedar Park, Texas. The address is 1002 Cashew Lane. This house was built in 2000 and is around 2265 square feet according to the tax records. It's a 4-bedroom, or it can be used as a 3-bedroom plus an office. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. The current owners are using it as a study. One of the things I love about this house are all the angles and the high ceilings. This is a series of windows that overlook the front yard. This is the only room with carpet in the house. It does have a walk-in closet. Heading back out to the foyer, we're going to take a right and take a look at another one of the bedrooms. This one has a wood laminate flooring, large window with window seat, walk-in closet. All the bedrooms have walk-in closets in this property. Back in the foyer area again, has a long corridor, and there's some neat places to display artwork or family photos. Ceramic tile flooring. The room here on the left is a good sized room and has been used for playroom. I've also seen it used as a TV room or a man cave. These owners used it as a playroom. On the right, there's a really neat, large dining area. Great place for birthday parties, family get-togethers. Again, high ceilings, some interesting architectural details. Leaving the dining area and now heading into the family room. Nice windows on the back, give great natural light. Love all the details in the ceiling here. Here's the fireplace. Does have a gas option if you want to use gas logs. This is one of the other secondary bedrooms. Similar to the first one, where there's a window seat and a big window, wood laminate flooring. And then the walk-in closet for this bedroom is right here. This is the hall bath for the secondary bedrooms. Got a pedestal sink. Bathtub and the tile surround are just a crisp white. It goes with any color that you might want to add. And then the open shelving here is a great place to store things with these baskets. Easy for kids to reach and get their own baskets. Back in the kitchen area, there's a breakfast area with window seats again. The kitchen has stainless and black appliances. There is a gas range. The countertops are a Corian type material. They look like granite. It's open to the family room. There is a pantry there on the left, that green door. And then this goes back into that dining room that we looked at a few minutes ago. Utility room is a full-size utility room. Has some place to hang up clothes for drip dry. This is the master bedroom. I like the tray ceiling in here. Big windows on the back. This also has wood laminate flooring, and it has a huge walk-in closet. Heading into the master bath. This room has double vanity, large mirror, garden tub, there's a big window at the top, gives you light, but it's also private. Here's another little storage area with baskets where you can put towels and bath accessories. It's large enough to add a little piece of furniture if you'd like right there. It does have a separate stand-up shower. Let's take a look at the backyard. Good sized patio for furniture, grill, hang out with your friends, family, watch the kids play. The yard is very usable. Does have some large trees to give you some shade. And here's the back of the house looking at it from the yard. Thank you for watching my video tour of 1002 Cashew Lane. Please give me a call if you have any questions or want a FaceTime tour. 512-422-0481. Thanks.